Day 16 of being a chef on a yacht. Woke up, had some coffee, and made acai bowls and toasted Johnny cakes for breakfast. Then I started on lunch prep. I'm making baked chicken wings. And for a dipping sauce, I made a Greek yogurt ranch. I did a few different types of wings. I did honey sriracha, maple Dijon, garlic and parmesan, sesame ginger, and the regular buffalo sauce. And lunch is served. After lunch, I started dinner prep. I'm making beef bourguignon tonight. Chopped up some carrots, celery, and onions, cubed up my chuck roast, and seared it off until it's nice and brown on all the sides. Then I'll throw in all my vegetables and sweat those down. Deglaze the pan with some red wine to get off all those good brown bits on the bottom. Throw in some tomato paste, chicken stock, let that stew for a few hours, and then finally finish with potatoes. Since the guests aren't having desserts anymore, I decided to ask the crew what their favorite was. Jerry said his was a chocolate trifle. I kinda messed up the brownies, but they still tasted okay. Put out a cheese board for cocktail hour, and then set the table upstairs for dinner. For the guest dessert, I mashed up some papaya that I found on the island and threw it into some Greek yogurt. Cleaned up the galley with the crew, and then served Jerry's favorite dessert. Did a happy dance for another great day, and off to bed. Bye, little chef.